Let me show you the easiest, fastest and the simplest way to create high clickable thumbnail. See, you need to create a thumbnail that creates curiosity. If your thumbnail does not create curiosity, people will not click your video no matter how valuable your video is. So in this video, you need to follow me step by step. Make sure you don't skip any part in this video. I am going to take you through this step on how to create a clean, modern, professional thumbnail for your videos, and you will be glad you watch this video. You'll be glad you come across this video. So without saying all of that, let's dive into it. Make sure you follow me step by step. Don't skip any part in this video. All right guys, so before you can create a very good and catchy thumbnail, you need to edit your picture. Yes, the picture that you want to use, you need to edit it. So, and for you to edit it, you need to come to your CapCut. You can edit it in CapCut. So I'll be picking one picture from my gallery here to show you the picture, that the thumbnail that we are going to use. I use for this particular video. This is exactly how I created it. So this is the picture I want to use. So I'll just select this picture. I'll select it and I'll just adjust the color. So click on adjust and then I'll brighten it to make it look more attractive. So as you can see, you adjust the contrast a bit. The saturation should be around 7 or 8. The brilliance, so I think the brilliance is okay like this. Then the sharpness, I used to use 50 for my sharpness. I do use 50. Then clarity, I also use 50 for clarity. This is what will make your picture to pop up. It's very important that your picture looks really nice when you want to use it for thumbnail. So I think that's it. So then the highlights, you can use 10. I use 10 for highlights. Then I will now come here to remove background. You can see remove background. You click on remove background and the background will be removed. So you click on this mark and then you click on save. As you can see that the background has been removed. So the next thing is to add to your ChatGPT. You add to your ChatGPT and you click on images. So these are the thumbnails that I have generated before. Can you see how clean they are? Can you see? And it still maintain my original face. So you click on this picture icon to bring in the picture that we just edited, and then you will now give it a prompt. The prompt will be: use the uploaded image, create a modern YouTube thumbnail with this inscription 3 minutes thumbnail. 3 minutes thumbnail. So that's the inscription that will be on the thumbnail, and the color should be white, yellow, white, yellow, white, and touch of red. touch of red. Add add CapCut, and ChatGPT icons, modern, high CTR, clean YouTube thumbnail, aspect ratio is 16:9. So always use the aspect ratio 16:9. Always remember to include it so that you're not going to give you another format. So once you generate once you type in all your prompts, everything that you want in the listing, so let me say, let the three be very bold. Let the three be bold. Let the three be bold. So I want the three to be very bold. Okay, let me do it this way. Let me just say, let the inscription be bold. So that's it. Then you click on send. Once you are sure of the prompt, you just click on send and you wait for it to generate the thumbnail for you. So guys, see what we have here. Isn't this not catchy enough? See what we have here. So you don't even need to stress yourself going to Canva to design a thumbnail, spending hours. This thing, you can easily get it in less than even 1 minute. The thumbnail is already generated for us. So this is how you create thumbnails, so that it will make you to create more faster and make you consistent. You know how many hours you are going to spend on Canva if you are to be using Canva to generate thumbnail each time you want to upload on YouTube. So this is how you do it, and you can see that it's very clean and very bold. Like, this is amazing. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment. Are you going to be trying this? Do you learn something new in this video? Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. I will see you next time.